Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to cancel Uber One membership in Uber Eats app. So in this video I'm going to give you a simple step-by-step guide to cancel your Uber One membership through the Uber Eats app on iPhone or Android. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is to make sure you are signed into your account. Then on step 2, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then scroll down and tap Uber One membership under the account section. Then tap on manage membership or membership details depending on your app version. Then tap on end membership or cancel membership. Then follow the on-screen instruction to confirm the cancellation. And also you may need to select a reason for cancelling your membership subscription, and after that you will receive a confirmation message or email that your Uber One membership has been cancelled. And make sure to check your next billing rate or billing date to avoid unexpected charge. And that's it. That's a simple guide on how to cancel Uber One membership in Uber Eats app.